So check it out. A few projects I've been working on. One of them's this tin subway car. It's the second one I've done it to. I put a Marx C-liner one-way motor with the little wheels in it and 19-volt LEDs in the front and LEDs trailing the red ones, just like I did the original. And the original is sitting about a foot ahead of it on the same line. And I'm going to try to run them together. But here's another project I wanted to show you. Let me see if I can get some power to it. There we go. I actually made the generators, and I poured the resin searchlight domes for these, the housings I mean. And so I was able to paint them in different colors, which was kind of fun. And so I used resin. I also used a 2-part clay mold to make them, just wrapped it around some Marx originals and let it set up. So that's one project. So we'll try to run the tin subway cars on the same track. We'll see how far we can get with them, see how long they'll before the one catches the other one. My original one seems to have a little bit faster motor in it than the one I just did. So here we go. Couple laps are running pretty good. See if we can catch the red trailing lights on this one. And we'll put the camera back down so we can maintain the controls. Yeah, I think we can get probably one more lap. And here they come. And there's the original one I did. So that was kind of fun. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.